Hi guys, in the last lecture we talked about what are IDs and classes. Now in this lecture we talk about what are divs. Div stands for division. If you have two or more sections in one page, then you use div that organize our code and enhance the capability of coding. So first I if I want to first heading and first paragraph in a div, then I use here div tag. I write a div and their closing one at the end of this paragraph. So I certain change this to organize this tab here and now here. Our first headings and first paragraphs now in our first div. So I write here ID first section. Now if I delete these IDs, because if I want to save, so now this is our normal text because we delete the IDs here. Now our ID is first section in a div. Div are basically used if you have a same styling or same color or headings in the tags, then we use division. So now our first section, now if I write here for ID we use hash symbol. First section. In IDs or classes name we do not use space. So basically I write here dash, that is in ID name. So I write here color and green, save it and refresh. Now you see both our first tags that are in our div tag are now green. So if I want to change the background color, now I write here background color, I write here red, save it and refresh. So now you see our background color is now changed. You clearly see our first div is in red color and boundary is here. So if I change the width of our div, width 200 pixel, save, refresh. So now you see our width of div is 200 pixel. So if I want to change the height 300 pixels, save it and refresh. So now you see our height is 300 pixels. I want it to 100 pixels of height and I change the color of text to green, white. Save it and refresh. So now our color is white. So the same in the second one. If I want to change the div tag of the second paragraph and third paragraph, I write here div and closing, and at the end of this paragraph I close this div tag. Now our ID is second section. Save it. Now I get rid of these classes because we do not use separate. I delete this and now I refresh. Our normal text is here because we delete the tags, and one more ID, that is tomato, is here because tomato ID is written here. So in the second section I write here hashtag and write here second section and background color. First I write background color is equal to yellow. Save it and refresh. So now you see our background color is 100% width. So I change the width of this Second section, width 200 pixels. Save it and refresh. So now you see our both width is same because we same width here, 200 pixels and 200 pixels. Now I change the color. I write here red. Refresh. So now you see our whole color is red. So that is the div tag use. Basically, these are used for our organizing our code and much more. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.